Welcome back to the channel. VST here with SP S25 Ultra running the latest One UI 8.5 stable, S26 Ultra running the latest One UI 9 Beta 4. Some exciting news. Finally, Samsung doing the right thing, and they're doing the right thing on both platforms, Android 16 and Android 17. Now, what you see here on the phones is actually the new updated Samsung Galaxy Store design. I just wanted to show that it works also on the S25 Ultra, but now finally Samsung is aligning one of their major apps, the one that they use to kind of push the application from their ecosystem, and it's all updated finally with that One UI 9 inspired design. So we have this very nice bar pill shaped here down below. Also, when you start scrolling down, there's going to be this thing hovering on top, feature pre-registered top charts. It's pretty much the way it used to be, only the design has changed and now it's uniform everywhere. Now, this was the dark mode. If I go back to light mode, it works exactly in the same way. We do have these very nice elements here, as you can see, with some blur. I think it's quite subtle, by the way. So if I now go on games and I start scrolling, you will see that somehow it kind of inherits what is on the back of it, which I think is pretty sweet. And by the way, this is important, guys, because again, this sends a message that, hey, Samsung, we know what we are doing. We have this now everywhere, This is also the same into the gallery, and this design follows everywhere. Let's just try to bring something, for example, like the clock. Again, the clock everywhere. We have this new pill-shaped size box design, and this is completely in line with everything else that you see. It really seems that Samsung know what they're doing, and then again, it's not only here, not only at the top. Again, look at that animation. The moment I just do that, boom, something is gonna pop up here. I think very nice. The same features, same applications, but we have a new uniform design. And by the way, some of this is pretty cool. If you look at this, by the way, where this kind of appears, right, boom, pop it up like this. And then again, I can give you multiple examples. Even if you go and open the latest Samsung Health, we have this very same design everywhere. They kind of like use this shape right now, like a box-sized shape of pill, and then everywhere, we have the same uniform design with this thing here centered, very easy to be used with one hand, and it's very good that at the end they decided to also update the Samsung Galaxy Store. So now this thing is here. Also pay attention, it's kind of throwing like a very small portion of a shade on top of it, which then again brings some immersiveness to the whole screen. Now, it's not rocket science. I don't want to fall in a crazy ecstasy here, but you can see even when the banner is changing, the color just adapts, which is pretty sweet. Now, it's still a bit weird because it doesn't really happen in real time. Take a look at this. We have this banner that is rotating from the left to the right, and then the color changes, and sometimes, it's not synced. So it takes some time for the bar to adopt a new color, and then when, the whole image moves to the left, we got a new image, and then there is kind of like a delay, which is definitely off sync, and I think that they should fix it. Also, I know what people are gonna say, hey, this looks so much as something we've seen from a certain fruity brand, but love it or hate it, I guess this is gonna be almost everywhere, like everywhere, anyone is going to adapt this. We see Xiaomi doing this, we see Oppo and Huawei, Honor, everybody are trying to adapt this. Now then again, let's talk about trendsetters, right? Remember, we used to have a 3.5mm where we used to put these things inside the phone, not any longer. So again, probably same story repeats. Apple came up with this liquid glass thing, and now we're gonna see a mass adoption. Everyone is trying to copy this, and I guess this is kind of like Samsung thing also, and this is very important. I want to show you really how this is integrated throughout the whole menu. So listen, right now I have the torch, a flashlight. If I click here, boom, again, very same pill. If I now go on my always on, again, the very same pill. If I just go on my lock screen, it's gonna be the very same pill, And by the way, I don't really think it's a bad idea. I think it looks cool, and Samsung own store was kind of like the app that was missing this redesign. It was long overdue, so I am now happy that they did it. Let me know, guys, what you think down below in the comments, and if you received this update. This update has the version 6.6.18.12 on my S26 Ultra, and I'm gonna also share the version here on my S25 Ultra 4.6.08.11. But as you can see, then again, still updated with the very same design. We have the very same things happening here with Android 16 One UI 8.5, and then again the very same things happening with the One UI 9. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, guys. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.